So in this video, I'm going to show you how to start your snowblower. I have a few different models here. They're all a little different in their own way, and you should be able to apply what I show you in this video to the snowblower that you have. They're all pretty similar. There may be some differences, and I'll show you what the differences are in this video.
Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video. So if you have a bigger snowblower like this one, what you're going to want to do is make sure that the speed is all the way on the fastest. Your snowblower should have like a fast and a slow stop lever. So set that to fast, the engine idle speed. And then depending on the snowblower you have, you may have a key that just presses in. This Toro key just pulls straight out. It just goes in. I know on some of the other snowblowers, like an Aaron's, you turn the key on to the on position. So make sure the key is on. You're on the fast engine idle setting. And you open up the choke. This snowblower doesn't have it, but some snowblowers also have another on-off switch for the fuel line. If you have an on-off switch for the fuel line, if it cuts off, make sure the fuel line is turned on. And then prime the bowl like 3 or 4 times.
And you should be ready to start it.
So what I'll do now is I'm going to show you how to start my Aaron's snowblower. You heard me mention about a fuel cutoff switch. This Aaron's has one, and your snowblower may be similar to this one. I'll demonstrate on this Aaron's how this one fires up. So on this Aaron's crossover, put your ignition key in it. And my Aaron's Deluxe 28, you had to turn the key on, but this one, it just slides in straight. So this Aaron's doesn't have an ignition key, but it has an ignition switch. So make sure it's on the run position. If your snowblower has a key, turn the key to run. So there's a fuel cutoff switch. Make sure the fuel is all the way on. And then turn your choke to the start position. So then what you want to do is prime the carburetor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give it 3 or 4 squirts and prime it with gas. So then you can pull start it just like I did the other two. But what I'm going to do with this snowblower is I'm going to start it with the electric starter, because a lot of you guys will have one and you may not want to pull it. Just going to plug it in, then fire it up. Adjust the choke. There you go. So it runs smooth, and it's halfway open right now. So as it warms up, you might have to turn the choke all the way up so it smooths up. Then you pull it out. So the way to start your Toro Snowmaster 724 is right here. The key is right here. It doesn't turn, it just kind of slides in, so make sure the key is slid in. Here's the choke. So we're going to open the choke right there, push it all the way, and then you got to squirt like 2, 3, put 3 or 4, prime the carburetor with 3 or 4 presses of the button right here, the primer button, and then we're going to pull it, start it up. All right, here goes nothing. Okay, so I just started it with the pull start, so now I'll show you how the electric start works. Okay, so to start this with the electric start, get yourself a heavy duty electrical cord, an outdoor electrical cord. It doesn't have to be very long, just long enough so you can plug it into an outlet and into the machine. And it should plug right into the starter outlet right there. So the machine is warm, the snowblower is warm because I just started it, so I shouldn't need the choke. Shouldn't need to prime it, but if you're taking it right out of your garage, you're trying to start it up for the first time, put the choke on, you'll hit it 3 or 4 times with the primer, make sure the key is in it, and then there's a button right here, so you're just going to hit the button, it should fire right up. Take your electric cord out. So hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.